everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. In this video, I'm continuing my travel journaling. Today, I'm going to journal about my favorite place in Porto, Bolsa Palace. It is a historical building built in neoclassical style. I loved the inside. It was full of history and beauty. It was just so gorgeous. As you can see, I took lots of pictures in the palace. That's exactly the reason why I chose this page, because the folder gives more space. The song folder was on the vintage book page, so I wanted to reinforce because it was going to be photo heavy. So I added wide washi tapes. Then I cut a pamphlet with mini paper trimmer. I recently got it and it is really convenient when you have limited space on your curved table. I pulled out a scrap and used it as a base for photos. I overlapped photos with washi tape because I took these photos in the same place, and by doing so, I could make them all fit in the scrap. I got this overlapping idea from waterfall layout in photo albums. I glued a label at the bottom. Then I found out that I attached the fold-out and the vintage book page with washi tape. So I cut it. The photo was fixed with washi tape from front and back both, so there was no problem. I am reinforcing the fold-out as well with wood grain pattern washi tape. I did fussy cutting the name of the palace from the pamphlet and backed with this beautiful photo of the Arab room with color paper. Then decorated with the same washi tape. I chose this washi tape for today's journaling spread because I thought embroidered floral design on the washi tape was going well with the embroidery pattern on the right page. I love them both. The washi tape is called Lace/Calocha by Empty Tape, and the paper is from Willow Collection by Maggie Holmes. I made a tag to add on the vintage book page for journaling space. Also, I thought the thread sticking out of the side would add more interest to the page. More washi tape on the tag, it is saying happy memories. I moved on to the right page. I glued the palace name and added a journaling card under the photo. I cut out from the same washi tape. This time it was a perfect day. I love this washi tape. It is from Immerslane Collection by Heidi Swap. And the last, I made a mini envelope with envelope punch for the empty space on fold out. Also, I had lots of leftover photos, so I needed somewhere to store them. I made a paper strip for the envelope, as I did in the last journaling video, to keep the envelope closed. I stamped the date and started to journal. I hope you enjoyed this travel journaling video. I was happy to document the beautiful place where I visited and loved so much. I wish I had better photography skill. If you ever visited Bolsa Palace in Porto, let me know how was it for you, and if you haven't, it's a totally must-visit place in Porto. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. See you in my next video. Bye bye!